Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest video. Finding the best solar panels for your home can feel like a daunting challenge. There are more than 100 different brands of solar panels and other solar equipment on the market at any given point. In this video, we'll discuss how solar panel manufacturers stack up to one another, and who makes the best solar panels. Best solar panels for home installation. There are many solar panels available to purchase and install. Out of all the companies currently making solar panels, here are some of the top names most often associated with the best solar panels on the market: SunPower, LG, Panasonic, Silfab, Hanwha Qcells, Canadian Solar, Jinko Solar, and Trina Solar. Generally speaking, SunPower, LG, and Panasonic make the best solar panels in 2020 due to the high efficiencies, competitive pricing, and stellar 25-year warranty offered by each brand. These companies combine durability and reliability with premium protection and fair prices, making them the brands with the best solar panels available. In almost all cases, the best solar panels are made with premium monocrystalline solar cells. Monocrystalline cells are made with a single crystal of silicon instead of many silicon fragments melted together, as is the case with polycrystalline cells. This means that the cells are more efficient at converting sunlight to electricity, plus they have a sleek black tint to them. However, it's important to keep in mind that premium solar panels with monocrystalline cells generally come with a higher upfront price tag. Best solar panels ranked by efficiency. A solar panel's efficiency is a measure of how well it converts sunlight into electricity. Based only maximum module efficiency, here are the top 5 manufacturers that make the best solar panels: SunPower, LG, Rec Group, C-Sun, and Solaria. Rank 1, SunPower, 22.8%, Rank 2, LG, 21.7%, Rank 3. Rec Group, 21.7%, Rank 4, C-Sun, 21.2%, Rank 5, Solaria, 20.5%. Best solar panels ranked by temperature coefficient. A solar panel's temperature coefficient is a measure of how much or little a panel's production is lowered in hot temperatures. Based only on the lowest temperature coefficient available in a panel, here are the top 4 best solar panel manufacturers. Rank 1, Panasonic -0.26, Rank 2, Rec Group, -0.26, Rank 3, SolarTech Universal, -0.26, Rank 4, SunPower, -0.29, Rank 5, LG, -0.30. Best solar panels ranked by materials warranty. A solar panel's materials warranty, or equipment warranty, protects against equipment failure due to environmental factors or manufacturing defects. Based only on the longest materials warranties available from solar companies, here are the best solar panel manufacturers. As shown above, all 6 of the top solar panel manufacturers ranked by materials warranty offer the same length of warranty, setting this tier of companies apart. For reference, the industry standard for panel materials warranties is 10 years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos.